Jonathan Masaki reports from Waikiki.
At first glance, Maile Garfield's jump into the ocean seems like any other person taking an adventurous plunge off Waikiki. Maile, however, is suffering from amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. It's an ailment that weakens your muscles and has a huge impact on your ability to move. That did not stop Maile.
We're going to have her stand up. So we'll go stand up. We'll do a 3, 2, 1. You get the helicopter low. And then we'll be ready. And then I'll give a separate 3, 2, 1.
Team Gleason!
Yes!
Yeah.
Prior to taking the plunge, she had some special coaching from some special friends. Former Navy SEAL Stephen Kaplan and his team from Trident Adventures provided Maile with the basics she needed to do the jump. They also ensured her safety was the #1 priority, with a team of divers in the water ready to receive her.
I just got to see her absolute face just light up with just pure joy.
Holly Shankleton is with the Honor Watch Foundation, who paid for Maile and her family's adventure. She says seeing how Maile responded to all of this is priceless.
From the moment that she ended up in the water and she just did the okay symbol, and that she was okay to come back on the boat, and that the jump was successful. And she was just the biggest smile just from ear to ear. And, you know, you literally can't buy that kind of joy.
Is it awesome?
Holly and her husband founded the Honor Watch Foundation to provide a way for veterans and non-veterans alike and their families who, for whatever reason, are suffering from a physical or psychological issue. They rely on donors to support their outreach to those in need.
It's just heartwarming to me where I can see some people just get so excited about, #1, being able to come to Hawaii. That's a big deal. And #2, be able to do something that they've never been able to think that they could afford to do or dream to do, and getting them over that hump.
And here's something that'll touch your heart. Maile was also able to scuba dive along with her husband, and for the first time in a long time, they were able to do a simple waltz and dance together because they were underwater.
That was the epic adventure in my life.
It was incredible all the way around. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Aloha.
An epic adventure that Maile and her ohana will remember for the rest of their lives. Jonathan Masaki, Hawaii News Now.